Like I said, you want to produce matte emulsion. Okay, get 10 liters of water. 10 liters of water, pour it inside a clean bucket. Add 0.2 gram of carbon PT for dissolving the pigment. Add pigment 1 kg, which is titanium dioxide, which is a colorant. Mix it very well. After mixing thoroughly, add smooth calcium 5 kg. Smooth calcium 5 kg. Or if you like 10 kg, some people use 10 kg depending on how you want it to shine. Some people use 2 kg, but I will prefer you use 5 kg. If you don't have smooth calcium, you can use normal calcium 5 kg. Then add acrylic. After mixing it well, add acrylic, which is a binder, 4 kg or 3 kg or 5 kg or 7 kg depending on you, but add 4 kg. Add 4 kg. Mix it very well. Add your thickener. Before you add your thickener, just as I said in emulsion paint, get a bucket, a clean bucket, dried one. Add half liter of water. Pour that thickener 0.2 gram inside that water. Mix it very well and pour it inside the solution, inside the paint. So that is matte emulsion for you. If you want to preserve it, add ammonia 0.2 gram. For antifungus issue, add EPW 0.2 gram. If you don't want to use ammonia, use formalin 0.2 gram or biocide 0.2 gram. Thank you so much. That is matte emulsion for you.